Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will unbox this mystery box coming from the Gadgets Clubs, and they sent me this for free. So before getting into the unboxing part, now let's just take a look at my computer screen, and I just want to show you what a Gadgets Club is. Alright, so you can see that this is the website gadgetsclub.com.au. I will also include this link in this video description as well. And now let's just take a look at this. This is the home page. Here you can see that we basically get a new gadgets every single month. Alright, so down here we have the review video as well, and this is basically how it works. Okay, so first step, basically you need to join the Gadgets Club, and secondly the box will then be dispatched to send it to your home address, and third final step is to feel the excitement of unboxing your new gadgets every single month, like I mentioned. Alright, okay, so down here this is what surprised you. This can all include the smartphone gadgets, drone, Bluetooth accessory, and there's a lot more. Okay, down here these are the past boxes, including Google Home, Black Shark, and a lot more. This is the guarantee, and they have around 10,000 customers already. And now let's just click on this get started button. Now once I click on this, here these are the plan. They have the monthly subscription, 3 months, 6 months, and up to 12 months. So that the price also included down here as well. And that's basically how the Gadgets Club work. And now let's just go back and take a look at the unboxing part. Alright, now let's just unbox this. Okay, so this is the wireless charging stand. This is mainly for the iPhone 11 and above, iWatch, and also port as well. And the black color, 3-in-1. Now let's just take a look what it look like. They got one USB charging cable, and this is the instruction on how to use this. Alright, so now let's just talk about the wireless charging stand features. So basically it is a 3-in-1 wireless charging stand. It is a product that can simultaneously charge your smartphone, and it also support the wireless features such as iWatch and AirPods at the same time as well. And it is very convenient and practical. The watch part of the product, it uses a built-in magnetic charger, which automatically senses whenever that you put a watch on. The mobile phone or the smartphone part of the product, it uses a double coil design. Whenever that you place a phone vertically or horizontally without affecting the charging of the phone. You can also watch your favorite movies or also videos on YouTube as well while it is charging. The earphone part of the product uses a built-in wire charger that you need to plug the charging box, and it will just charge normally. The product is not only for the wireless charging stand, but also, if you think about it, it's also an indispensable storage device as well. And now let's just talk a little bit more about the applicable devices. So for the smartphone, it's suitable for all of the QI technology devices. It can be iPhone X or iPhone 11, iPhone 12, and for Samsung such as S6 up to S9, and also including the Note 9 as well. Not only that, but it also supports other brands such as Xiaomi, Nokia, LG, HTC, and Motorola as well. Basically, all of the devices that support the QI technology, it would work just fine. And for the smartwatch, it's only support the Apple Watch series from series 1 up to series 5. For the earphone, it's only supports the AirPod at the moment. And that's basically all of the functions of the device. It's not too large, it's very convenient to carry around. And that's basically it for this unboxing video. I hope you like this video and don't forget to check out Gadget's Club and subscribe to one of the plans. See you guys in the next video.